Welcome to the hidden beauty of Gocek, a stunning destination nestled along the turquoise coast of Turkey. Known for its picturesque bays and lush greenery, Gocek is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. As you explore this charming town, you'll discover a vibrant marina filled with luxurious yachts and traditional wooden gulets. One must-see spot is the stunning Gocek Bay, where crystal-clear waters invite you to swim, snorkel, or simply relax on the beach. For those seeking adventure, consider a boat tour to the nearby islands, each offering unique landscapes and serene spots to unwind. Don't miss the chance to visit the ancient ruins of Lide, where you can immerse yourself in history while enjoying breathtaking views of the surrounding hills. The local cuisine is another highlight. Be sure to try fresh seafood dishes at Waterfront Restaurant, complemented by the region's famous olive oil. As the sun sets, Gocek transforms into a magical place with twinkling lights reflecting off the water. Stroll through the quaint streets, indulge in local delicacies, and experience the warm hospitality of the locals. Whether you're looking for relaxation or adventure, Gocek is a hidden gem that promises unforgettable memories. Plan your visit today.